Let us solve for a in this equation. A raised to power 3 minus a square is equal to 1210. The given equation is a raised to power 3 minus a square is equal to 1210. This can be written as a raised to power 3 minus a square. If you bring this to this side, it becomes minus 1210 is equal to 0. 1210 is equal to 1331 minus 121. This can be written as a raised to power 3 minus a square minus, now let us replace this 1210 by 1331 minus 121. 1331 minus 121 is equal to 0. A raised to power 3 minus a square. Let us open the bracket with this negative. We have minus 1331 plus 121 is equal to 0. Do you agree with me that 1331 is equal to 11 raised to power 3 and 121 is equal to 11 square? Then this can be written as a raised to power 3 minus a square minus 11 raised to power 3 plus 11 square is equal to 0. Now here we have a raised to power 3 here and 11 raised to power 3 here. A raised to power 3 minus 11 raised to power 3. Then this is minus a square here and this is plus 11 square. Here is minus a square minus 11 square is equal to 0. If you have x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus sy plus y square. And if you have s square minus y square is equal to s plus y bracket s minus y, then this can be written as a minus 11 bracket a square plus 11a plus 11 square minus, this can be written as a plus 11 bracket a minus 11 is equal to 0. Here a minus 11 is common here. Let us bring it out. A minus 11 bracket, if you divide the whole of this by a minus 11, we have a square plus 11a plus 11 square and minus, if you divide the whole of this by a minus 11, that will give a plus 11 close the bracket is equal to 0. A minus 11 bracket. Here is a square plus 11a plus 11 square, that is 121. Let us open this bracket with negative. Here is minus a minus 11 is equal to 0. A minus 11 bracket a square plus 11a minus a, that is 10a plus 121 minus 11, that is 110 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 11 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 11. This is the first value of a. And the second case is a square plus 10a plus 110 is equal to 0. We can solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 110. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 110 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 square, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 110. 4 times 0, this is 0. 4 times 1, 4, and 4 times 1, that is 4, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 440, that is minus 330 divided by 2. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 330 can be written as square root of 330 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. A is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 plus or minus I root 330 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. Then A is equal to minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 330 divided by 2. These are other values of A. Therefore, our final answer are A1 is equal to 11. A2 is equal to minus 5 plus I square root of 330 divided by 2. A3 is equal to minus 5 minus I square root of 330 divided by 2. You can see that we have one rate root and the two complex root. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. You see these real roots. To check, we have the given equation. a raised to power 3 minus a square is equal to 1210. So this is if a is equal to 11. 11 raised to power 3 minus 11 square must be equal to 1210. 11 raised to power 3, this is 1331 minus 11 square 121 must be equal to 1210. Then 1331 minus 121, this is 1210 is equal to 1210, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.